If you're considering getting a new boiler, it's essential to have a sense of the costs involved. And the price range is quite extensive, spanning from as little as £500 all the way up to £20,000. So let's take a closer look at what affects these costs. Firstly, the type of boiler you choose will significantly influence the price. For a Combi boiler, you can expect to pay anywhere from £500 to £3,000, with the average cost, including installation, hovering around £2,750. System boilers follow a similar price range, ranging from £590 to £3,500, with an average cost of £2,790. Conventional boilers fall within a range of £600 to £3,500, averaging at £2,955. Now, here's the curveball. Biomass boilers. These eco-friendly options will set you back considerably more, with an average installation cost being £16,000, but this can reach up to a hefty £21,000. What drives the cost up is not just the boiler itself, but also the complexity of the installation. The less you have to change in your existing setup, the more cost-effective it is likely to be. A straightforward boiler swap, without any additional adjustments, tends to be the cheapest. However, if you opt for more substantial changes like relocating the boiler or altering your hot water tank, expect the installation costs to rise. For the best possible deal on your boiler installation, it's always wise to compare quotes. And that's where we come in. Our service connects you with up to 3 local boiler installers completely free of charge and with no obligations. Just fill in our form. It just takes a minute. Thanks. See you in the next one.